guys, it's Lily. So if you saw my toy hunt yesterday, you saw that I found these mystery minis from the new Spider-Man movie Into the Spiderverse. This movie is coming out tomorrow. It has so many Spider-Mans in it. We are missing one from this box. These boxes look so cool. There are 12 to collect and we have 11. Box number 1. I don't mind whichever one I get because I really like all of them. So this one feels really, really little and round. It's probably a common one. Oh, it's Gwen. I knew it. So we got Spider-Gwen and she's really little and thin and light. She is 1 in 6. And there's detail on the back. And these are bobbleheads, by the way. She does stand up pretty good. Box number 2. Let me show you that flap on the inside. You see, there it is. This one is super light. You think we got 2 in a row? Spider-Man. We got Spider-Man Peter Parker 1 in 6 common. I love his pose. Box number 3. Which one are we gonna get next? Oh, this one is big and heavy. We got that big spider. No, it's not. I don't know what this one is. No way. We got him. We got the... Ew, what's his tongue? Oh my God. Wow, this is gross and weird and cool. So I was looking at this and thinking about this off camera, and something about it is off. I think the face and the ears are not really like Green Goblin. I don't know. Green Goblin to me is not a cartoon character. It was a man that turned into the Green Goblin. So I think it's a little off, but I'm willing to forgive it because this toy is designed really cool. So the Green Goblin is 1 in 12. Box number 4 out of 11. Ooh, this is different. Oops. Oh, this one's tiny. I'll bet you it's the pig. I feel like it's the pig. Oh, I don't want to cut anything. It's this one, and I didn't see the movie yet. Is this Miles Morales dressed up in his suit? So this is 1 in 6. I'm not sure which one this is. Box number 5 out of 11. Ooh, another heavy one. Maybe this is the spider one. Ooh, it's Kingpin. And his head is on backwards. Oh no. Maybe I should leave his head on backwards. He's a villain. So we got Kingpin and he is 1 in 24. Box number 6 out of 11. Whoa, this one's different. We definitely don't have this one. We definitely have it. Oh well. Box number 7 out of 11. This one's really, really little. Maybe it's Miles Morales. Yes, I actually guessed right. So we got Miles Morales and he is 1 in 6. Looks like he's holding a homemade suit maybe. I love the expression on his face and this mask that he's holding. Ooh, look what I just noticed inside this box. There's like graffiti pictures and comic pictures. This one says Miles. Wow, I love this box. Can't wait to see what's in there. So there's 4 left. We are on number 8 out of 11. Another little one. Which one did we get? Another Spider-Man, Peter Parker. Box number 9 out of 11. Another little one. Are we ever going to get Peter Parker the pig? Oh, it's another Gwen. Spider-Gwen. All right, guys, we are down to our last 2. We are still missing Prowler, Spider-Noir, Spider-Ham, Scorpion, and Penny Parker. Any of those would be fine by me. Box number 10 out of 11. This one's coming out of the bottom. Oh, it's another little one. I don't know, guys. If the last 2 are doubles, I'm going to be really sad. We got Miles Morales. And the last one, please don't be a double. Well, it's little, but it does not feel like a double. This one I think is the Ham. Oh, please be the Ham. Wait. Yes! We did! Oh my God! This is like the Gert of Spider-Man. I'm so happy we got this one. I don't know why, I like it. It's so cute. It's so tiny. This might be the smallest one. Oh, look, he's saying, shh, don't talk so much, Lily. You talk too much. Okay, we need to finish this video. People are getting bored. Oh, you have to see the inside of this box. This is the coolest box. All right, well, that's it. I have to say this one, the Green Goblin, is my favorite. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Bye.